Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 989. It's a 6-boxer, half a case of Crown, or Black Diamond. So here's our dudes and dudettes. Aaron won the spot just recently. We got Robin and Rich and Zach and Wes won a spot. Dwayne and Jack, Terry B just won a spot. And he grabbed the last team, Dallas. Thanks, Terry. Aaron and Jack and Mike and Chuck and Reggie and Aaron. Hey, John Bull got his Preds. Rich and Reggie, Aaron, Reggie, Lunchy, Bill, looking for that OEL. Aaron, 420 Mike, Reggie. Welcome to Jordan. Nice to see you. Hope you get a good, cool card. I know you're looking for the Druan. Brian, Lunchy, Ian just won a spot, and Rich just won that spot. Hey, Taz, how you doing, buddy? So let's get on with our boxes. Here's the first one ending in 869. Ish. Hey guys. Taz is just in time to see a 6-boxer. Never tell which one is the bonus pack. There it is. See bonus pack on it? Oh, it has no barcode on the back. That's weird. So we'll put that on the bottom. And there we go. Alright, good luck, guys. Oh, I forgot how horrible these packs are to open. So I'm just going to rip through here. Double Diamond, David Backus for Reggie. First hit to Reggie. Peace. Oh man, I might be better off going with the scissors on these. Ooh, Triple Diamond for Anaheim. Just won that team. Ryan Getzlaff. Peace. Try some scissors on these. They slide out decently. They don't really. Ooh, Earns. Osa, Murray, Spacer. It's an all single diamond base pack. Hey, we lost Cody. Here for Tampa and Jordan. Not the rookie you want, but a quad rookie gem, Vladislav Nemesnikov. I actually pulled his autograph out of 5 for Rich the other day. And base. Really cool looking card too, one of those blue short prints. Oh, there's an autograph for Mike. Tomography autograph, Drew Shore. Oh, you can't see? It's Black Diamond there. That's the first auto I pulled. Oh no, second. Because I pulled that rookie short print. Oh, I remember this kid. He's pretty awesome. For Tampa Bay, again, and the new guy, Jordan. Kristers Gudlevskis. He played an awesome game against Team Canada. And a mem card for Dwayne in Chicago at Brent Seabrook. Yep, 9 left in the anthology. 9 left in that nice multi with 12th edition playbook and prime. Quad going to, oh, it's Montreal. Patrick Waugh played most games in Montreal, right? So that's going to be going to Montreal and Aaron. Bill Barber. Because it is a all-star card. I'll actually check that, see. Oh no, I know the checklist says Team Canada. I think it goes to Montreal. For the Predators, and John Bull. Colton Sissons, rookie gems, triple diamond. I gotta get a move on here. So slow. Pins down to 8. Todd, you're working. It's working. It's working, Todd. Ah, nice. Single diamond ruby. Doug Wilson for Chicago. Number 48 of 50. Now Bill is a little sad. I know, eh? It's like, oh, 2 Chicago hits already. All single diamond space. Do you have a team here? I don't believe so. Nice. St. Louis Blues and Reggie. Ty Ratty. Quad gem. Double diamond for the Leafs and Brian. 46 splits. You got Nazem Kadri. Nifty Mittens. Oh, you're pretty behind there, John. Pulled that like 3 packs ago. Triple diamond for the Leafs and Brian. Felix Potman. 2 Leaf hits in a row. What planet is this? Okay, Patrick Wildcard does go to Montreal, as I believed. Double diamond for the Blues and Reggie, Alexander Steen. Jersey card for the Islanders and Reggie, Franz Nielsen. One of the most underrated players in the league right there. Awesome player. Base pack, single diamonds. There's 3 base packs in this box. Oh, I hate these packs. They suck so much. Triple diamond rookie gems. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare for Lunchy. The Philadelphia Flyers. 8 left in the bin, 9 left in the multi, guys. Double diamond for the Ducks. Aaron's team, she won. Corey Perry. Now you got Getzlaff and Perry. And base. Wow. Brutal. I gotta complain about, wow, another Leaf hits. Jonathan Bernier, triple diamond. That's 3 more diamonds than he deserves. Cool, Todd. Double diamond for the Wild and Reggie. Ryan Suter. Oh, last pack, the bonus pack. These with scissors, just so I don't bend them. Nice. I love these orange cards, by the way. Reggie, TJ Oshie, single diamond orange. In the back. Triple diamond Getzlaff, going to Aaron. And, oh yeah. For the team and giving away. Quad diamond orange, Evgeny Kuznetsov. A sweet card there for you, Ian. Bottom left corner has a tiny Jenkins. That's not too bad. Hey, you're welcome. Alright, 1 box down, 9 minutes in. Wow. Let's start moving faster here, guys. In 876. Oops, I forgot the... well, I'll put aside. Oh, I feel it. There it is. The bonus pack. Put it aside. What's expensive? RA is still pretty expensive, man. Double diamond for the Habs. John LeClair. It came down a little bit, but I thought the Hawks were $5. Nathan Horton and Terry B. The team you won, you got a Nathan Horton double diamond. Oh, I don't know. Bobby Hull, triple diamond. Chicago and Dwayne. Yeah, but I count playoff games in that too. For the Jets and Rich, Dustin Byfuglien, double diamond, and for the Buffalo Sabres and Rich, Matt Molson jersey card. Oh, okay. Yeah, I knew Waugh was close, but I knew Montreal edged them out a bit. Mew, and nice one. The Edmonton Oilers and Jack, Leon Draisaitl, quad rookie gem. See that one, Jack? Here. Oilers. That's pretty close, isn't it? Ruby for the Ducks. Andrew Cogliano out of 50. Ducks have got a lot of cards already. The free team, Aaron won in my pack wars just now. Whoa, die cuts. We've got a Hardware Heroes, I think. These are case hits. Ah, look at that. The San Jose Sharks. Number 65 of 100. Hardware Heroes going to 420 Mike. Joe Thornton. These are cool. Always like that subset. A little bent. That's okay. I believe those are 1 per case. I could be wrong. Double diamond for Pittsburgh. Chris Kunitz. Triple diamond for the Avs and Jack. It's Matt Duchene. Yeah, he was including the playoff. For the New Jersey Devils and Rich. Andy Green. There you go, Rich. Jack said he could have that, did he? Jack's still out hunting, I think. Base pack. Seven left in the bin, guys. It's a moving. Ah, nice for Lunchy. And his Vancouver Canucks, you got Trevor Linden, double diamond. Triple diamond Phil Kessel for Brian's getting a lot of Leafs. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I would have liked to give away a couple more in the bin, but I gave away the 2 top teams. Ah, nice. For Reggie, you're going to like this one, buddy. Triple diamond, Yori Lehtera. For Minnesota and Reggie, Kristen Folin. Bottom left, a little janky. Ah, for the Boston Bruins, even though it's an all-star card, goes to Bruins 37. It is Bobby Orr. Bobby Orr quad. Andrew Makarov, triple diamond rookie gem going to Buffalo and Rich. 3 more packs from the bonus pack. Double diamond for Tampa Bay, Ben Bishop. Going to Jordan. I'm not sure. Wow, come on. Wow, that's the hardest base pack ever right there, ladies and gentlemen. Born in Calgary, that's a good point right there. I'll check that in a second. Ah, nice. Going to Detroit. Quad, Stevie Yzerman. I just want to check that macro off for a second. Born, hometown, Kazan, Russia. Oh yeah? Cool. Here comes the orange ones. The Calgary Flames. And Zach. Yuri Hoodler. Those are really cool. The Ottawa Senators. Nice rookie gem quad. Going to Reggie. Curtis Lazar. Again, a bottom left is a little janky. Not too bad. The last one. Triple diamond orange. Going to Chucky. It's Anze Kopitar. I got time for one more box in this video. This one is ending in 809. Let's see what happens. I got packs everywhere. This is the bonus pack. I have to rush a little bit on this one. My camera does cap at 25 minutes. Wow, nice. We got a second. What is? Oh, we got a ring and a Drew Doughty triple diamond for Chuck. And also for Chuck, championship ring, Slava Voinov. I like those things. Double L8 pack right there for you, Chuck. Prism Soccer? Nope, not me. Double diamond, another. Jeff Carter, LA Kings. Oscar Clefbaum, quad rookie gem for Jack. Now, guys, the case spot's open now. You look for Brian's 500th milestone tomorrow, possibly. The Dallas Stars and Terry B. Tyler Seguin. Free spot. No, not free spot. The spot he just bought. Wow, this one's heavy, man. Double diamond for Reggie, Kyle Okposo. And a mem card for Pittsburgh. It is Marc-Andre Fleury, who lost tonight. Boo. Man, these packs are really annoying me. Oh, nice. Teemu Selanne. I don't know. That goes to Anaheim. Quad diamond. get some of these baits here. Alright. Still doing good. Lots of time on the video. Double Diamond, Brad Marchand. Bruins. Double Diamond for the Yotes and Bill. Keith Yandel. Got a Yotes hit, Bill. Wake up. Ruby for the Rangers. Nice quad rookie gem. Anthony Duclair out of 150. Those are cool. True. Hey, but it's better than nothing, right? Base pack. Rookie gem for the Yotes. Quad rookie gem. Brandon Gormley. There you go, Bill. Gormley's actually pretty good. Watched him the other day. Got a quad rookie. Not bad, not bad. And another triple rookie for the San Jose Sharks and Mike. It's Mirko Mueller. Mueller. Base pack. Another LA King Mem. Drew Doughty. Oh, man. These packs are making me weak. Base pack. The Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith double. These packs are brutal. After this break, I'll be able to open tin cans with my hands. The Chicago or Vancouver and Lunchy, Michael, let's forget, Zelwiski or whatever. I don't know. I always mispronounce that guy's name. OEL, anything less than 50? The only thing he has less than 50 is a 101. Isn't it? Oh, no, he has the auto, too. For Bruins, Patrice Bergeron triple. Yeah, I would have the blue and the other short prints. Joe Thornton for 420 Mike. Double Diamond. San Jose doing pretty good. 2 packs left. Hey, Tazzy ain't saying much lately. What's up? Hey, Jeff Nicholas Delorier, Triple Diamond for Rich. And here's our sweet orange cards. OEL is Oliver Ekman Larson. Defenseman. Awesome defenseman for Phoenix. Boston, Zdeno Chara. Orange. Single diamond. Hey, there you go. The Phoenix Coyotes, Mark Byzantine, triple diamond orange. Bottom left again, a little janky on these middle cards. And those are not numbered. And hey, Corey Crawford, double diamond. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll open up